Welcome to Shramashakti Vidyaniketan English Medium School, Malad online classes. I am Raut Manisha. I will teach you third standard mathematics subject. In previous lecture, we have learned subtraction without Borrowingr. Today, we will learn next topic of subtraction without Borrowingr, word problem. This topic is in book. Ajit has 257 rupees. Use the picture below and work out how much money he had left over after he gave 150 rupees to Manoj. See here, this boy name is Ajit. He has 257 rupees, means 2 note of 100 rupees, 5 note of 10 rupees, 7 coin of 1 rupees. He gave 150 rupees to Manoj. So student, arrange the vertically this example and subtract. See here, Ajit has 257 rupees, means 2 note of 100, 5 tens, 7 unit, minus Manoj gave 150 rupees, means 100, 5 tens, 0 unit. Then we arrange this example vertically and subtract. First of all, you see units column. 7 minus 0, we get 7. Write down 7. Then we see tens column. 5 minus 5. 5 minus 5, 0. Again, see here, you see hundreds column. 2 minus 1 means 200 minus 100, 100. 107, Ajit has remains rupees. See here, 107 money he had left over after he gave 150 rupees to Manoj. So students, see the next example. In a cricket match, England scored 245 runs. India scored 123. How many more runs must India make to equal England's score? In order to equal England's score, India must score a total of 245 runs. So we have to find out how many runs they must score after 123 to make a total of 245. That is 123 plus box equal to 245. We must find out the missing number in this. We shall get it by subtracting 123 from 245. Arrange the vertically and then subtract 200, 4 tens, 5 units. See here. Then minus 123 means 100, 2 tens and 3 units. First of all, in the subtraction, you see units column. 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3, we get 2. Write down 2 at the unit column. Then 4, you see next, tens column. 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2, we get 2. Write down 2 at the tens column. Next, you see hundreds column. 200 minus 100, we get 100, means answer is 122. Therefore, India must make 122 runs more in order to equal England's score. So student, this topic again see on digital board.
Ajit has 257 rupees. Use the picture below and work out how much money he had left over after he gave 150 rupees to Manoj. Here is Ajit. He has 257 rupees. Here are two notes of 100 rupees each, which means 2 hundreds. 5 notes of rupees 10 each, which means 5 tens. And 7 coins of 1 rupee, which means 7 units. Out of these, he gave rupees 150 to Manoj, which means 100, 5 tens and 0 units. For subtraction, let us see the units first. Now 7 units minus 0 units would be 7 units. So all these 7 coins remain as it is. Now let us see the note of 10 rupees. 5 tens minus 5 tens, we are left with 0 tens. So no 10 rupee note is left. Now let us see the hundreds. 200 minus 100 is 100, which means we are left with a 100 note as well. Now let us see how much money has been left over with Ajit. 100 remains, 0 10 and 7 units remain, which means 100, 0 tens and 7 units. That is 107 rupees. So Ajit is left over with 107 rupees. In a cricket match, England scored 245 runs. India scored 123. How many more runs must India make to equal England's score? Well, in order to equal England's score, India must score a total of 245 runs. So, we have to find out how many runs they must score after 123 to make a total of 245. That is, 123 plus box is equal to 245. We must find out the missing number in this. We shall get it by subtracting 123 from 245. So we will arrange them in vertical order, writing HT. 245 is 200, 4 tens, 5 units, minus 123. That is 100, 2 tens, 3 units. Now 5 minus 3 is 2. In the tens column, 4 tens minus 2 tens is 2 tens. In the hundreds column, 2 hundreds minus 100 is 100, which means it is 122. Therefore, India must make 122 runs more in order to equal England's score.
I hope all students understood word problem. So student, on next lecture we will see next topic. Thank you.